For a student that's trying to access an assignment that you've created, they are going to find that assignment on this to-do list on the right-hand side of their screen. They'll also find it in their calendar. If they click on their calendar, it is going to show up. You can see this Google assignment is right here on their screen. It is a particular color because it all is going to connect to the Great Food Truck Race. And so all of the things that are assigned in that class are going to be red. So I am going to go back to my dashboard. I'm going to click on that Great Food Truck Race, and you will see down here the Google assignment. The student will click on the Google assignment. And when they do that, it's going to ask to connect to their Google account. So I am going to switch accounts. And when I do that, it is going to then connect me to the assignment. So you can see that it's going to tell me as the student how many points it is. It is going to tell me if there is a due date. I should have had a due date there. I don't know why that did not show up. And then it also is going to give me the file down below, but then it also is going to have this blue tab that says Open Assignment. So I'm going to click on Open Assignment. And that's interesting because it says due up here, but not down here. And so it might have been when I created the assignment, I didn't click on the due date within the Google assignment. I only clicked on the due date for the Canvas portion of the assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Open Assignment. And then it's going to bring me to this screen. And so I then, as the student, am going to open up this slideshow. And you can see that it has the name here. So this is Russell Richmond's own copy. It's not a shared copy. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And it opens up that assignment. And then I can work on this assignment however I want to. And then when I am done, I am going to go ahead. I can actually do a couple things. I can create something else, or I can add a file. But when I am done editing this Google slideshow, I'm going to click Submit. And it says one attachment will be submitted for this Google assignment. Again, if I added more files, I could add that to it as well. And I'm going to click Submit. Canvas is going to do its magic, and then it's going to say you are all set. And that is going to be submitted to the teacher. So then when I go back home, that is no longer going to show up in my to-do list as the student because that has already been completed. So that is what it looks like for a student who is completing an assignment that you turned in through Google.